Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to learn one of the most important topic, that is algebraic expression and operations on them. Algebraic expressions and operations on them. Okay. Now here's some points that we have to remember. So what these points are? See, 3 apples and 4 bananas can be expressed as 3a and 4b, means 3 apples, A for apple and B for bananas. So 3 apples means 3a and 4 bananas, and means plus 4 bananas, B for bananas. So 3a plus 4b, taking A for apple and B for bananas. Here 3a plus 4b is an algebraic expression. So 3 and 4 are coefficient and A and B are variables. So whenever we are going to learn this, like 3a plus 4b. So this is 3, this is A plus 4b, means 3 apples and 4 bananas. So 3 apples and 4 bananas together. So 3 is coefficient, 4 is also coefficient. Whenever the expression is like this, 3a and this 4b, this 3a and this 4b, whenever these kinds of expressions are there, so numbers are known as coefficient. Numbers are known as coefficient. Coefficient. Numbers are known as coefficient. So what are these A and this B? So this A and B are variables. This A and B are variables. So numbers are known as coefficient. Numbers are numbers and numbers are known as coefficient, and this letters, alphabets are known as variables. Alphabets are known as variable. जब भी हम साथ में alphabets and numbers लेंगे तो उसमें numbers are known as coefficient and alphabets are known as variables. ठीक है, alphabets are known as variable. Okay. So now expression with one term. अगर एक ही टर्म का एक्सप्रेशन है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ 11x इज देयर, एक ही टर्म का एक्सप्रेशन है 11x, so 11x is known as monomial. एक ही टर्म आया इसमें 11x, okay, only one term is there, so that means this is known as monomial. What it is known as? Monomial. If two terms are there, means 11x plus मैंने अगर 7y लिया, 11x plus 7y, so two terms are there, right? 1, 2. Two terms are there. So two terms are known as binomial. If one term is there in your expression, if one term is there in your expression, then it is known as monomial. If two terms are there in your expression, then it is known as binomial. Now if I written here 11x square plus 7x plus 14, means यहाँ पे कितने terms आ गए? 1, 2, 3. So this is known as trinomial. This is known as trinomial. And if I added here x cube plus 11x square plus 7x plus 14. So more than 3 terms are there. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. More than 3 terms are there. Then that expression is known as polynomial. Again, I repeat this. Please pay attention, everyone. If only one term is there, अगर एक ही term है, see for example here 7x, only one term is there, so it is known as monomial. If only one term is there, then it is known as monomial. If two terms are there, see for example 5y minus 7z, two terms are there, 5y and 7z, two terms are there, so this is known as binomial. If three terms are there means what? If three terms are there, see for example 3x cube, 5x square and 11. If three terms are there, then it is known as trinomial. One mono means single, no? So monomial. Two terms are there, that means binomial. Three terms are there, trinomial. Three means trinomial. 3 टर्म्स आर देयर. आपको सिर्फ काउंट करना है एक्सप्रेशन में कितने वेरिएबल्स है, कितने कोएफिशिएंट है. तो दिस 1, 2 and 3. तो 3 terms are there, then it is known as trinomial. If 2 terms are there, then it is known as binomial. If only 1 term is there, then it is known as monomial. If more than 3 terms are there, for example 1, 2, 3 and 4. If more than 3 terms are there, then it is known as polynomial. If one term is there, monomial. 2 terms are there, binomial. 3 terms are there, trinomial. If more than 3 terms are there, it is known as polynomial. So the very first question in practice set 32 is classify the following algebraic expressions as monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial. So we have to just identify which expression is monomial, which expression is binomial, which expression is trinomial, which expression is polynomial. So in this first example, only 7x term is there. So 7x mein how many terms are there? Only one. So it is an example of monomial, right? Now in example 2, in example 2, 5y minus 7z. How many terms are there? 2. So this is an example of binomial. In third example, like 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11. How many terms are there? 3 terms are there. So this is an example of what? Trinomial. If 3 terms are there, then it is known as trinomial. Now, in fourth example, how many terms are there? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Means more than 3 terms are there. So this is an example of what? If more than 3 terms are there, this is an example of what? Just let me know in chat box. Polynomial, correct. This is an example of polynomial. You are very smarter, huh? जैसी क्वेश्चन पूछते तो आंसर आपका रेडी रहता है. वेरी नाइस. Okay, so if more than 3 terms are there, then it is known as polynomial. Okay, now this in this fifth example, 5m minus 3. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 or 4. How many terms are there in problem number 5? In problem number 5, how many terms are there? Yes, 2. 2 terms are there. Correct. 2 terms are there. Everyone is saying 2 terms are there. Right. कौन से 2 terms है? 5m minus 3. How many terms are there? 2. 5m minus 3. So it is an example of what? It is an example of binomial. 2 for binomial. So 5m minus 3 is an example of binomial. Right? Binomial. Correct. Very good. Now, in sixth one, only one term is there, a. So this is an example of what? This is an example of monomial. Very good. This is an example of monomial. Only one term is there, a. Now in seventh one, also only one term is there. What it is? 8. So what is? This is known as which example? Eighth one. Seventh one. Only one term is there, 8. So this is an example of monomial, correct. This is an example of monomial, right? Now in this example, 8th one, how many terms are there? 1, 2 and 3. How many terms are there? 1, 2 and 3. So this is an example of what? This is an example of what? How many terms are there in this? 1, 2 and 3. So this is an example of monomial, binomial or trinomial. What it is? It is an example of, correct. It is an example of trinomial. Very good. Very good, students. Okay. Now I am giving you one example for you. Just tell me. I am giving you one example like 3m square minus 8. 3m square minus 8. Now this is an example of what? Let me know in chat box. 3m square minus 8. 3m square minus 8. Very good. It is an example of what? Binomial. Why? Because two terms are there. See, in this case, 3m square is one term and 8 is second term. So how many terms are there in this example? Two terms there. So two terms means what? Binomial. When only one term is there in your expression, then it is known as monomial. If two terms are there, then it is known as binomial. If three terms are there, then it is known as trinomial. And if more than three terms are there, then it is known as polynomial. Okay, then it is known as polynomial. Again, I am giving you some examples to you. Okay. Now, if 8x is there. So this is an example of what? Monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. 8x. कौन सा example है ये? Monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. Very good. It is an example of monomial. Why? Because only one term is used over here, right? If in your example only one term is there, then it is known as monomial. Now if it is 8x plus 7, how many terms are there in 8x plus 7? Two terms are there. Then it is an example of what? Monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial. It is an example of binomial. Yes, very good. Binomial. Yes, this is an example of what? Binomial. So why? Because two terms are there. In your example, if only one term is there, then it is an example of monomial. If two terms are there, then binomial. If three terms are there, trinomial. If more than three terms are there, then it is known as polynomial. Now, if I am giving you one example like 8x square plus 7 plus 7x plus x cube. Now this is an example of what? 8x square plus 7 plus 7x plus x cube. Now this is an example of what? Monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. It is an example of what? It is an example of, yes, it is an example of polynomial. That this means you have understood the concept very well, right? 8x square, one term, two term, three term and four term means what? More than three terms are there. So this is an example of what? Polynomial. This is an example of polynomial. So understood this? Monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. If only, again I repeat this, please pay attention everyone. If only one term is there, then it is known as monomial. If two terms are there, then it is known as binomial. If three terms are there, then it is known as trinomial. If more than three terms are there, then it is known as polynomial. Okay? So this is all about how to classify the algebraic expression as monomials, binomials, trinomials or polynomials. Okay? Now here our practice set 32 has been completed. Okay? As monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. So here our practice set 32 has been completed. Now let's move for the another practice set. Okay? I hope you understood practice set 32. Yes? Clear everyone? Clear your doubts regarding practice set 32? If yes, then let me know in chat box. Have you understood it properly? Very good, very good, very good. Okay, understood? Okay, everyone is saying teacher understood well. It is easy, right? It is very easy. Okay. Kindly off your webcam, everyone. Okay, now let's move for practice set 33. Okay, let's move for practice set 33. Okay. Now in practice set 33, the question is addition of 9p plus 16q, 13p plus 2q. Okay. So 9p plus 16q, 9p plus 16q. Okay. So 9p plus 16q. We have to add the number. We have to, this is the first expression, right? This is the first expression, 9p plus 16q. Okay, 9p plus 16q. And the another expression is what? 13p plus 2q. ठीक है, पहला एक्सप्रेशन हमारा 9p plus 16q है और दूसरा एक्सप्रेशन हमारा 13p plus 2q है. Now we have to add these two expression, 9p plus 16q, right, plus 13p plus 2q, right, 2q, because we have to add the numbers, right? So first expression is 9p plus 16q plus, because we have to add these two expression, no? So first expression is 9p plus 16q plus second expression is 13p plus 2q. So before that we have to keep it in bracket. Why? Because both the expressions are different. So first expression is what? 9p plus 16q plus second expression is what? 13p plus 2q, right? Second expression is 13p plus 2q. Okay, now is equal to, now 9p plus 16q plus 13p plus 2q. Now we have to solve the bracket. हमको उनको remove करना है. Remove them from the bracket. So 9p plus 16q plus 13p plus 16q. Okay, which is equal to what? Now bring the similar terms close together. अभी यहाँ पे similar terms कौन से हैं? This 9p plus 15q plus 13p plus 16q. Now what are the similar terms over here? So similar terms are 9p plus p का term कौन सा है यहाँ पे? 13p, right? 9p plus 13p. So we bring the similar terms closer. What our first step is add the expression 9p plus 16q plus 13p plus 2q. Now remove them from the bracket. So 9p remain as it is plus 15, here 16q will there. 16q plus 13p plus 2q. Okay. 13p plus 2q. Now remove them from bracket. 9p plus 16q plus 13p plus 2q. Now brings the similar terms close together. Now 9p plus 13p. Now plus sign remain as it is. Sorry. Okay. 9p plus 13p. 9p plus 13p plus 16q plus 2q. ठीक है? So now 9p plus 13p, 9p plus 13p is equal to what? 9p plus 13p, 22p, right? Plus 16q plus 2q is equal to what? 18q. So this is our answer. Simple. Now listen it carefully. 9p plus 16q plus 13p plus 2q. Now bring the similar term. जो similar terms है वो हम साथ में लेके आएंगे. Okay, we will bring the similar terms close together. Now 9p plus 13p will come closer. 16q plus 2q will come closer. Now 9p plus 13p is equal to what? 22p plus 16q plus 2q is equal to what? 18q. So the answer is what? Answer is what? Answer is 22p plus 18q. 22p plus 18q. This is our answer. 22p plus 18q. Now next one is what? 2a plus 6b plus 8c and 16a plus 13c plus 18b. Now, which are the similar terms over here? Which are the similar terms over here? 2a and here 16a. So 2a plus 16a will come closer. 6b plus 18b. So 6b plus 18b will closer. 8c will remain 8c plus 13c. 8c and 13c are closer. तो यहाँ पे 8c plus 13c आ जाएगा. ठीक है? 2a plus 16a, 6b plus 18b and 8c plus 13c. Now 2a plus 16a is equal to what? 18a. समझ में आ रहा है? हमको यहाँ पे से सिमिलर टर्म्स साथ में लेके आना है. ठीक है? Now 6b plus 18b is equal to what? 24b, right? And 8c plus 13c is equal to what? 21c. So this is our answer. Yes? समझ में आ रहा है? What we does only, we bring the similar terms closer. A के जैसा कौन सा टर्म दिख रहा है? 16a, तो 2a plus 16a. 6b plus 18b, तो 6b plus 18b and 8c plus 13c, तो हमने 8c plus 13c लाया. Now 2 plus 16a is 18a, 6b plus 18b 24b and 8c plus 13c is 21c. So what is the answer? 18a plus 24b plus 21c. So this is our answer. Clear everyone? Everyone understood this? Okay, those who are paying attention, that student understand it properly. Okay, so those who have not understood, this doesn't mean that you have not attentive properly, but the sums are very easy actually. हमको सिर्फ similar terms देखना है. जैसे 2a मुझे दिखा, किसके जैसा दिखा? मुझे 2a 16a के जैसा दिखा, तो मैंने 2a और 16a साथ में लिया. फिर मुझे दिखा 6b किसके जैसे दिख रहा है? 18b के जैसा, तो मैंने 6b और 18b साथ में लिया. फिर 8c किसके जैसा दिख रहा है? 13c के जैसा, तो मैंने 8c और 13c को साथ में लिया. Now after collecting them together, 2a plus 16a is 18a, 6b plus 18b 24b and 8c plus 13c is 21c. So the answer is what? 18a plus 24b plus 21c. Correct? Clear now? Clear your doubts? We will see another sum, okay? So that your doubt will be clear properly. Okay, now next one is 3y square. 3y square minus 10y plus 16 here. See, 3y square minus 10y, okay, plus 16, and another one is what? Plus 2y minus 7. 2y minus 7, okay. Now 3y square किसके जैसे दिख रहा है हमको यहाँ पे? इसी के जैसा नहीं, तो ये सेपरेट रहेगा अपनी जगह पे. इज इक्वल टू 3y square remain as it is. Now minus 10y will be looking like 2y, right? So here it will come minus 10y plus 2y, right? Minus 10y plus 2y. Now which is remaining over here? 16 minus 7. 16 plus minus minus hota hai, to 16 minus 7. Now here 3y square remain as it is, right? Now minus 10y plus 2y, minus plus kya hota hai? Minus, and the sign of bigger number is minus. Now minus 10y plus 2y is how much? Minus 10y plus 2y minus 8y. क्योंकि minus plus minus, तो 10 minus 2 is 8 and the sign of bigger number is minus 10. ठीक है? Plus 16 minus 7 is what? 9. Okay. So the answer is what? 3y square minus 8y plus 9. What we does only? 3y square remain as it is. Minus 10y plus 2y means minus 8y. Plus 16 will come here. and minus 7. So 16 minus 7 is what? 9. So the answer is what? 3y square minus 8y plus 9. I hope everyone clear this. Okay. Because what Sakshi Singh, why we? Okay, wait a minute, everyone. Let me share my whiteboard with you so that your concept will be clear. So the first question is 9p plus 16q. Okay, the first question is 9p plus 9p plus what? 16q. 9p plus 16q. Okay, and another expression is what? 13p plus 2q. 13p plus 2q. 13p plus 2q. Okay, 13p plus 2q. Now just we have to add the two expression because the question is add the expression, right? So 9p is looking like this expression look like 13p. तो 9p के पास कौन आएगा हमारा 13p. Okay, plus 16q is exactly similar to that of 16q is exactly similar to that of 2q, right? Now 9p plus 13p, 9p plus 13p is how much? 22p. 9p plus 13p is 22p plus 16q plus 2q is what? 18q. Okay, 16 plus 2 18 and q remain as it is. First add the number then variables. So 9 plus 13 is 22 and p remain as it is. 16 plus 2 is 18 and q remain as it is. ठीक है, तो 22p plus 18q is the answer. Yes? Yes? Now understood properly? Okay. Now let's move to another sum. Okay, let's move to another sum. Okay, what is the another sum? If we take 2a plus 6b, 2a plus 6b, 2a plus 6b plus 2a plus 6b plus 8c, 2a plus 6b plus 8c plus another term is what? 16a. 16a, another term is 16a plus what it is? 13c, 13c plus, sorry, 13c plus what? 18b. 13c plus what? 18b. Now we add both the expression. Okay. Now 2a will look exactly like 16a. So we will bring these two terms together. 2a plus 16a. 2a plus 16a. Now another term is 6b, right? 6b. Now we will take this 6b with what? 6b plus 18b, है ना? 6b किसके जैसे दिख रहा है? 18b के जैसा. तो we will take 6b and 18b together. Now let's take for c term. Now 8c and 13c are exactly similar. So we will take 8c plus 13c. 8c plus 13c. Now add all the terms. Now 2a plus 16a is how much? 18a, right? Now 6b plus 18b is how much? 6b plus 18b. It is 24b. Okay. And 8c plus 13c is how much? 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8, 21c. Okay. So what is our answer here? 18a plus 24b plus 21c. This is our answer. Okay. First 2a plus 16a, then 6b plus 18b plus 8c plus 13c. Now 2a plus 16a is equal to 18a plus 6b plus 18b is 24b plus 8c plus 13c is 21c. So what is the answer? 18a plus 24b plus 21c is the answer. I hope everyone understood this. Yes? Understood it properly? Okay, thank you very much everyone. Now let's move to another sum. Okay, let's move to another sum. See, for example, 13x square, 13x square minus 12y square. This is the first expression. 13x square minus 12y square प्लस ये फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन है हमारा. जहां पे माइनस आता है तो वहां पे पहले ब्रैकेट डालो कि जहां पे माइनस है तो हमको ब्रैकेट डालना पड़ेगा. प्लस 6x स्क्वायर माइनस 8y स्क्वायर. 6x स्क्वायर माइनस 8y square. 6x square minus 8y square. Now solve the bracket first. 13x square remain as it is, right? 13x square remain as it is. Minus 12y square remain as it is. Okay. Now plus 6x square. ये plus ये bracket को multiply है तो plus 6x square is plus 6x square. And here plus minus तो minus 8y square remain as it is. ठीक है. Now bring the similar terms closer. Bring the similar terms closer. Wait a minute. Okay. Bring the similar terms closer. The 13x square will be exactly looking like 6x square. So we bring 13x square and 6x square together. So 13x square plus what? 6x square, right? Now second one is what? Minus 12y square. तो यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा minus 12y square, right? और उसके बाद कौन सा टर्म है हमारा? minus 8y square. तो यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा minus 8y square. Please pay attention everyone. Minus 8y square. Now 13x square plus 6x square is equal to what? 13 plus 6 is equal to what? 13 plus 6, 19x square, right? 13 plus 6x square is equal to what? 19x square, right? Now minus. तो minus 12 minus 8, minus 12 minus 8 क्या होगा? Minus 12 minus 8, minus minus plus. So minus 12 minus 8 is what? Minus 20y square. So the answer is what? 19x square minus 20y square. 19x square minus 20y square. आपको सिर्फ ये साइन पे ध्यान देना है बेटा. minus 12 minus 8, माइनस माइनस क्या होता है हमारा? प्लस. तो और साइन हम देते हैं बिगर नंबर का. तो माइनस 12 और 8 में साइन किसका बिगर है? बिगर नंबर कौन सा है? 12. और बिगर नंबर के आगे कौन सा साइन है? माइनस. तो यहाँ पे माइनस माइनस हमने प्लस किया. 12 plus 8 20 और साइन किसका दिया? बिगर नंबर का, दैट इज 20. ओके. So 20y square. So the answer is what? 19x square minus 20y square. I hope everyone clear regarding this. Yes? Understand it properly, everyone? Okay? Understood it properly? Thank you very much, everyone, for your confirmation. Okay? Okay. Now let's move to another sum. Let's see one more sum. Okay. If the question is like 3a minus 4b, 3a minus 4b, and another term is 4a plus 11b, 4a plus 11b, तो हम कौन से टर्म्स साथ में लाएंगे? Which term we are going to come closer? So we will bring 3a plus 4a together, right? तो ये minus 4b, यहाँ पे minus 4b आएगा. plus 11b plus 11b, right? Now 3a plus 4a is equal to what? 7a, and minus plus what? Minus plus minus, तो 11 minus 4 कितना होगा? 11 minus 4, 11 minus 4 7b, बट साइन हम बिगर नंबर का देंगे, और बिगर नंबर कौन है? 11, तो 11 के आगे कौन सा साइन है? प्लस, तो हमारा कौन सा साइन यहाँ पे आएगा? +7, तो 7a plus 7b is the answer. See for example 3a minus 4b plus 4a plus 11b. So we will bring the similar terms close together. 3a plus 4a minus 4b plus 11b as it is. Now 3a plus 4a 7a, and this minus 4b plus 11 plus minus minus, so 11 minus 4 is 7, but we will give the sign of bigger number. Which is the bigger number in 4b and 11b? 11 is the bigger number, so we'll give the sign of 11, that is plus 7b is the answer. So the answer is 7a plus 7b. That's all for today, children. Thank you very much. Okay.